Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Furaha and you are so welcome to this channel. Come on, just subscribe, hit that subscribe button. So najua mnaona background imechange, the lighting is mwah. Anyway, so today's video I'm actually going to be unboxing some of the things which my mom got for, okay, let me not say me, because my mom got for us some items, some things which I want to unbox with you guys, which most of them are for my baby, for her grandbaby, for her granddaughter. So yeah, I want us to unbox it. Acha nionyeshe venye box inakaa. So guys, this is the box which it came in. Ilikuja na meli na through water means of transport. Surely. So this is the box and this is how it looks. It's so heavy. Aingebeba to my it was so heavy that my brother could not carry it like to my room because room yangu iko huko and aumia mkono. Yeah, so this is the box. Okay, for some reason I feel like I am betraying my siblings because everyone has something in this box, but I am the only one at home because, okay, not me and my brother. My sister mwenye ananifuata, she's in school in Rongai, and because of school she doesn't come home that often, so anakanga huko. And my younger siblings are also in school and I just can't wait for them to come back. I feel like I just want to open this box and see what's inside. So I'll just open it and then I know they'll watch this video. I am so sorry I did not open this box with you guys, but I have to. Nimeboeka. I just have to. Anyway, let's get to the video.
It's a serious time. Si ndio hiyo power woman.
Hapa katikati ndio tukae kwa kiti.
Yeye ndio wapi katikati?
Ikaive.
Atisa hivi.
Simamishe. Ndio vitu zitaanguka tunafunga na huko juu.
Suri simamishe hivi. Tunakuja na waonyeshaji hivi hapa.
Nishawaonyesha, lakini si namba yako hapa.
Kifungua.
Sasa simu sasa mnisaidie.
Simu gani?
Hii box ni nzito yenyewe sio.
Naona mimi. Ati
Okay. Ninakatoa hapo. Maya babi.
Babi gani?
Wameletea school bag. Do you guys ever feel like ukiona vitu za shule you feel like you want to go back to school? Me, I feel like that all the time. Like nikiona bag, vitabu, mapencil. I don't know. It's just exciting. Okay. So in your wipes. In your wipes. In your mtoto wangu. This is going to be the longest video I have ever done in the history of making videos. Yep. Aww. This is for my baby, my princess. Zinanuka tu mpya. So there's that. And then this is a Macintosh. And I do not know what the hell this is, but so this is my baby's bag, like for clinic and mini, but it can also be a school bag. It looks pretty though. It's pretty, it's pretty. So I don't think I'll show you guys everything in this box because siwezi anza kuonesha hivi, and I'm so excited. I just know there's going to be a video of the things that my mom got for her grandbaby. I will show you guys later, but for now, that is it. That is it. So I will see you in the part 2 of this video.